students, good morning. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Okay? And I hope you have revised your previous chapter very well. So today we will discuss chapter 3, Tools of Word 2016. Okay? So let's get started. At the very first we talk about that how to open MS Word 2016. Okay? In your computer or laptop. So let's see. Here you see the icon of Word 2016. You have to double click on this icon and then you can see this document is open here. Okay. Now next one we see, you have to right click on this icon of Word 2016 and choose option of open. Okay. Now you can see your document is open on which you can easily work. Okay. Next one we see, we have to type word from the search bar and then we get the option, okay, of blank document. This is the way. Now another way is we have to go at the start button and scroll it down and see here word option are available and we can simply choose this. Okay, and then click on blank document and then our document is open simply. Okay, so this is the way by which we can open Word 2016 very quickly. Okay. So now next see MS Word 2016. Okay, in class 3 you have learned about the Word 2016 and its interface, means what are the parts of this particular document or window is called. And this particular window has quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, workspace area and status bar. Okay, so let's see. At the top we have quick access toolbar where we have 3 buttons: save, undo and redo. Okay, next one we see title bar. In the title bar we have name of our document or file. Okay, now next one we see font. Yes, this font is written here and this is ribbon for particular tab, means place where we see the name of particular tab is called ribbon. Okay, what is workspace area? Where we type our document is called our workspace area. Okay, now at the bottom we see status bar. What is the status bar? Yes, in the status bar we have seen the status of our document, that how many pages we have taken, how many words we have written, on which word I have selected. This all are the part of status bar. And okay, so now next one we see editing. What is editing? Means okay, now we will see editing. Okay, what is editing? Means when we have to change in the document without deleting the whole content, that is called editing. Suppose you write computer on your copy and you have to write the correct spelling of computer, then what will you do? Yes, you simply erase the word and make it correct with the eraser. So same process also done in computer. Okay, so editing is required in many places, just like we see movies. Yes, that movies taken into small parts and finally an editor comes who organize it in a proper sequence. So suppose I type here a beautiful quote that use your smile to change the world. Okay, don't let the world change your smile. Okay, I write a beautiful quote here and on this I want to make some editing, that I want to make the font size big. Okay, so what I do here, yes, suppose I have to add something face word, then we simply press enter in the front of smile and then type easily face word. Okay, so this is editing process which we can done in computer world. Okay, so now we see what editing includes. Yes, when we have to delete any portion, that is called editing. Cutting, that is called editing. Copy and pasting. Okay, so undo and redo commands. So these 5 commands come under the editing process. So what are the keyboard shortcut key for cut? Yes, for cut we use Ctrl+X. To copy any content we use Ctrl+C. To paste any content we use Ctrl+V. Okay, so let's do it in practical. Okay, so now we come on our Word document page. Okay, we will do editing with cut, copy, paste here. Okay, so let's see. Yes, when we have to delete any portion, that is called editing. So suppose when we have to delete this word, then we select the word and press delete button. Okay, so now we can also select the button and delete it. But when we have to cut the document, suppose I cut this line from here and press Ctrl+X, then paste it here at the next line. Okay, so this is first way by which you can use, by pressing Ctrl+C. Okay, there is one more method. Okay, what is that? Yes, we have to select the text by pressing right click, then we have to right click and then choose cut option. Okay, yes, so here our text is cut and we have to paste it. So to paste our document, we again press Ctrl plus right click and then go to paste options. Okay, we have to paste the document and then we see our document is pasted here. Okay, so this is 2 ways by which you can use cut and paste. Okay, first one is using shortcut key Ctrl+V. Okay, and the second one is by pressing left click, right click and then again press enter. See, I press right click and then use paste option. Okay, so here our code is written. Okay, so now to copy the content we have to select the text again and then press Ctrl+C, which is shortcut key for copy. Okay, and then press enter and paste it on another place. Okay, this is first way. And now what is second way? We have to select the text again and press right click. Okay, then press copy option, then type enter. Yes, we see here this also pasted again and this word is not deleted from here. Okay, so there is also one more option here. We see at the clipboard group we have to select the document and we can cut this line and paste it by using paste option. Okay, yes. Okay, so now we can also copy it and choose copy option from the clipboard and then press enter. Okay, we have to press paste option. So thus we can do copy and cut paste from the Word 2016. Okay, so now we see undo and redo commands. So what are undo and redo commands? Yes, undo means to reverse the last action performed. and reverse and redo means to reverse the last undo perform. Okay, means whatever we done in undo we have to get it back. So what shortcut key we use? For undo we use Ctrl plus Z, for redo we use Ctrl plus Y, and for repeat we use Ctrl plus, okay, we use F4 function key. Okay, so see here, this is undo and this is redo option at the quick launch toolbar. So we again come on Word document, and here we have to select any text, and then we perform undo and redo commands here. Okay, so see, I make the text color change red, and I make the font size again big. Okay, and I also select the color, text highlighting color yellow. Okay, but we don't want this yellow color. Then what we do? Yes, we have to press Ctrl plus Z. Okay, we can also use Ctrl plus Z undo option from the quick launch toolbar. Okay, when we press Ctrl plus Z undo option from here, then we see our text editing go one step back. Okay, so now what is redo? Yes, when we have to get all the things back, whatever we done in undo, then we have to press Ctrl plus Y. Okay, this is first option, and you can also use this redo option from here at the quick launch bar. Then press redo, then see your text is getting highlighted with yellow color again, whatever we done in undo. So this is all for undo and redo commands. I hope you all understand about the undo and redo commands very well. Thank you.